And we're back for another 5-minute tool breakdown where I review a product in under 5 minutes, hopefully. Today we're going to talk about two tools. This is a cleaning gun specifically from Tornador, and we also have a Vortex cleaning gun. And then we have I believe it's called a crevice tool, but we heavily use these two tools inside when we're doing our interior cleaning process. So I'll give you the pros and cons of each one and where we use them. Again, I'll have the links down in the description box for you to check out. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, obviously, to be able to use these tools, you do need an air compressor. We have 3 different ones in this unit, in the 104 unit, and then in our van, each one varying in size and PSI level, but the PSI that we do hold it at is at 90 PSI, and that's typically what's recommended. So for the cleaning gun, we use this to loosen up the debris, the pet hair on the carpet, on the fabric surfaces. If there are door panels with dust or debris in there, we blow it out with this. And we're gonna do the same thing here, except for the more tighter areas, like across the rails on the seats and the no man's land between the seats and their center console. And any just tight spot that has like some tight edges, we'll use this here to loosen up debris. Now, this one is meant as a cleaning gun, meaning it's gonna clean the surface, but we're using it, like I said, to remove and loosen debris. Now, when we use either of these tools, the debris is just gonna go up into the air. And I get a lot of comments of like, hey, you're just kind of moving the dust and dirt around. It's like, yes, it's a part of the process. We first want to loosen up the debris. That way, when it comes to the vacuuming, it's much faster and easier. Because if the dirt is stuck in the debris, it's gonna have the vacuum is gonna do a lot more work to get that debris out of the fibers. Versus if we blow the debris and get that out of the fibers, it's much easier for the vacuum to vacuum it up. So those are the main principles of how we use it when we're loosening debris. Now, when it goes to actually cleaning the plastics, we don't really use this. So this is just for loosening the debris in the fabric in the tight area. So that's set aside now. So this one here, we use it in a few different ways. Now, one big part that we use it as is to replace our steamer. So when it comes to cleaning maybe the door panel pockets or the honeycomb speaker area, we will use this far more than the steamer now. Because what we'll do is we'll either spray the cleaner onto the door panel cup, like the cup holder or the speaker, agitate with a brush, and then blow with the air gun, with the cleaning gun, and it removes the dirt and grime. And then we'll wipe it down and we're good to go. Or we might, like if there is some smudges or stuff inside of like a little pocket, we'll spray the APC. We might agitate with a brush, and then we'll use the cleaning gun and just kind of use it in that little area. And because the way it works, it's gonna dislodge and remove some of that grime. Now, it depends on what it is, right? If it's some sticky syrup substance that's been there and it's super tacky to the surface, we might need to pull out the steamer. Now, if it's something that's just whatever it is, it's able to be removed, we'll do it with this. So if we can clean it with the cleaning gun, we'll use this. If we do actually need the steamer, we'll go and get the steamer. Now, like I said, we have both the Tornador and the Vortex. There are some differences in the tool, but for the most part, they perform the same. I do actually prefer the Vortex cleaning gun a bit more because it is smaller, but as far as how we use it and where we use it, it's the exact same process. Now, we actually have around 5 to 7 of these because we have some spares, and we have, if I'm not mistaken, 2, 3, we have 4 reels. So we do use them quite a bit, and we have replaced some just because over time they do get beat up or it cracks somewhere and we do have to replace them. But we are doing this as a business, so we are gonna go through them a lot faster, and we are gonna actually beat them up on a daily basis. Now, for the cleaning gun, we don't really use this on the exterior other than cleaning pads. Now, we might use maybe this tool if we forgot our air blower and we need to get water out of a tight area on the exterior, or maybe we're cleaning the headlights and we need to dry the headlight. We actually might use this one. But for the most part, these are reserved for interior cleaning, except for pads. When we are cleaning off the pads during a paint correction process, we will frequently, we 100% of the time, use these tools, specifically this one, but I actually grabbed this one when it comes to cleaning pads. But regardless, they are like 90% interior and the 10% is for cleaning pads, or if we need this for like a little spot that we need to dry a surface, we'll grab these if the air blower is just too cumbersome to go and grab. Now that's gonna wrap up this video. Let me know what you think on these under 5-minute videos, or at least my attempt to these under 5-minute videos, because I remember like a while ago, I always used to force like an 8 to 10 minute video, and a lot of times it would just be like a long-winded, unnecessary length of the video. So let me know what you think of these shorter videos. Again, I'll have these tools linked in the description box down below. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.